Today we're going to talk about Workbook 2A, Exercise 7, and we're going to use the textbook, page 20, to do that. If you look at page 20 in the textbook, it has pictures and questions, and the first one says, what number is 1 more than 253? The picture starts with 2 hundreds, 5 tens, 3 ones, and if we're going to have 1 more than that, we would add another 1 in the 1 spot. That's 1 more. What number does that give us? Well, we still have 200, we still have 5 tens, but now we have 4 ones. So 1 more than 253 is 254. But what if you have 10 more than 123? There's 100, 2 tens, 3 ones. If I have 10 more, then I'm going to add a 10 in the tens group, and now I have 133. Notice we didn't have to count up 10. Sometimes we count on when we add a number, but to add 10, I just add another 10 to the 10 spot. Instead of 2 tens, I have 3 tens. But if you want to do 100 less than 341, I could take one of the hundreds and get rid of it. So 100 less than 341 means I'll have 200. I still have 44 tens. I still have 1, but now I only have 2 in the hundreds place. Look at the questions at the bottom of the page that don't have a picture. Some of them are a little bit thinking questions. They're good questions to think about. The first one says, what number is 1 more than 799? Can you think about that? You have 7 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones, but in this case it's really better to think of it as 99, add 1, and you'll come up to 800. Sometimes it's better to think about how many tens and ones and hundreds you have. Sometimes it's good to think of it as a whole number. 799, go up 1, you're at 800. But what about 10 less than 500? It's really nice to be able to look at 500 and say 500 is 50 tens. So if you have 10 less, then you're going to have 49 tens. So 10 less than 500 is 49. The last question says 100 more than 470. And of course, if you put another 100 in, instead of 400, we'll have 500. You still have 7 tens, and there are no ones with that. So 100 more than 470 is 570. Those are pretty simple to think about. I encourage you to really think about this one until it makes good sense. And after you're through with these, you can do exercise 7.